Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are at Angono, Rizal, and we just came from Hinulugan Taktak and lunch, and now we are on our way to the petroglyphs of Angono, Rizal. According to my research, this prehistoric art form was reported in 1965 by Carlos Francisco, who is a natural artist of the Philippines. The Angono Petroglyphs measures about 63 meters wide and 8 meters deep and a maximum height of 5 meters. It was believed that the art was carved around 3000 BC. Why don't you all join us and let's go and explore the place. Come on, let's go. So that's where we're gonna go in, through that tunnel. And we're right here. Park right there. Wala. Ang takot eh, takot. Madilim sa tunnel. Ano ba to, man-made, kuya? Ito?
Ay, bilisan mo, baka lumindol.
Loko-loko. Takot.
Daanan ko ito ng golf cart dati. Kaya,
Daanan ng ano?
golf cart ng...
Golf cart. Daanan ng golf cart. Bundok to, di ba, sa taas? Cave. So,
Solid yan, solid na bato yan. Sa loob.
So I'm going through a cave, and this used to be where they ride the golf cart through. So, at least hindi maputik. So I made it out of the tunnel. It wasn't far. It only took me like, what, a minute and a half to go through the tunnel. Just kind of dark, but straight shot, I guess. Like walking in the woods. They have cactus, prickly pear. How about that? You would think it will not survive. Okay, wash station. I don't know why. It's an easy walk, see? Nothing to climb, and we got a little sidewalk up here. Covered area, I guess, if it rains. Medyo kalahati lang ng sidewalk ang natakpan.
Pagka may mga questions po kayo, pwede po kayo magtanong sa akin.
Ano yan? Parang museum.
Apo.
Ito lang. Ayun, siguro yun yung wall. May mga inukit-ukit na ano. Ganda din ang paggawa nila, ha? Ako. Sulat-sulat.
Ayan. Inuukit lang daw sa wall.
Oo.
Ang pinapakita po dyan is around 5,000 years ago sa ibang lugar, especially sa gumawa ng Bible, doon pa lang sila nag-uumpisa ng pagsusulat ng Bible, 3000 BC. dito sa Pilipinas, likewise, meron na tayong mga activities na pumapatungkol sa mga rituals na maaring, yung mga beliefs na. Kaya, sabihin na lang natin, 5,000 years ago, ang mga sinaunang culinary sa Pilipinas, before pa siya naging Pilipinas, ay highly intellectual na talaga. Na nakaya na nilang i-express yung mga nakikita nila, kaya nilang ipakita, ikwento through sa mga ganitong gawain.
Meron kayo nakatira doon dati? Parang meron ano? Yung cave? Yung...
Well, hindi po na-establish yung nakatira, ma'am, since wala pong nakitang mga specimens.
na
artifacts
ano?
na pwedeng i-relate or i-connect sa
Na may
mga
nakatira.
habitat.
Hindi.
Anak,
Ayan, yan ang ngiti. Yan ang post ng Madonya. That was it. That's not a big area. Interesting to see. So that it is, guys. And it took us about, I'll say, 30 minutes to 45 minutes altogether. And the entrance was less than 50 pesos, so it's really economical. Anyway, if you all like this video, please give me a thumbs up so you can be notified of my future video. And of course, please subscribe to help my algorithm. And what country are you watching my video from? I would really appreciate that. Until next time, bye!